Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 5 of this building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were already starting the level 3, which is our typical. Um, Here we're adding on all the information right here, all the walls, closet, dryer, bed, and all the fixtures that we can add. Here we're gonna continue working on this. I'm gonna click here, interior wall, CS. So create similar. We're gonna add a section here, around 800 for another closet, and then we're going to add um, the area for the kitchen, and then we will have our living room right here. So let's continue working on this. Let's add this kind of door, the sliding door, CS that, and then we could add it here. And then for our lines, let's use this and then CS again. So we're just basically adding this. We want to make sure that this wall is the interior wall number two. The thinnest one, so we could have it like that. And then now we could create our kitchen. We're just gonna simply add kitchen, the L kitchen. So let's go to insert, load family, and let's go to the main. And then here we could add in the casework. So go to casework, countertop, and then let's add one of this. So let's add the countertop L shape with sink. Let's add this one right here, CM. So let's insert that again. Open, override, yes. And then now we just need to click here, and then let's add it onto here. So we have our kitchen. Let's put our fridge, insert. Let's go to main, and then let's go to specialty equipment, domestic, mid-range, and then we could add in our fridge. Let's add this one, and then let's put it right here, CM again, and let's leave it right here beside this L shape. We could select the fridge, edit, and then uncheck this, show label. We don't need to represent that. And then we could have some tables here. So it's up to you if you want to add. But usually in condos, because of the way it's very small, we could just leave it like that. We could even extend this. We could put the fridge here as well, so that we have enough space here as well. But as you can see, there's more than enough, so we could just leave it like this. This is just a representation of the building. We're more on the aesthetic of the building, so this is just extra for that. So let's load in more furniture. Let's go back to the main, go to furniture, and then let's go to seating. Let's add in our corbo chair and then our sofa. So hold on control and select both of them. Click open and then type in CM. We have our sofa right here. And then let's click here and then look for so we have the chair, but we need to have the sofa. which is below there. Let's add it here. And now we could have this area like that. So that looks nice. We could just manually move this one like so that we could have more space here. So that's something that you could do as well to represent more space. And then we could have the TV right here. So let's just load in the TV. It will be under furniture and then flat screen, CM, and then change this like that. So that's good enough. We have our entertainment system here, and we have some of our chairs right here. So that's good. We could just leave this room right here. We could just mirror this later on so that we have the representation at the other side as well. So that's good. And then here, what we could do is we could actually move this. So CS, I rather put this one right here and move this because we need to maximize the space basically. So I rather maximize it here, and then we could have closet right here. We could extend this one now to the biggest size that we have. And then that's our closet. Delete this and then extend this one all the way there. So we have our space right here. So there's more than enough. We can add in one more here, CS. So that's good. So now let's go here at the other space. We will need to make a room here. So this is the interior wall, CS. We need at least 1800 or 2000. So I'm gonna choose 1800. I'm gonna move it up like that so that we could enter here, and then we just need to close it off, CS, around 1800 as well. Let's see. I'm gonna move it right here in the midpoint of this wall, and then I'm gonna put 1800, and then TR, trim and extend. So that's more than enough room for this. I want to see what I did here, 1400. We could just flip it like that on this side. Here, we could CS here, and then move it on this side. We could extend this now. So I'm extending this. So this will have 2 rooms. So it will be two bedroom plus a den. So CS here. I'm gonna add this one, and then let's change it right here. 3200, that's good. And then another 3200 by extending this. And then here, CS, we'll need to have some room for the washroom. 1400, like that. Take this, CS, add it to this space, CS again here, add it here, and then CS this one as well. CS here, and let's flip it by pressing spacebar, and then now CS right here for the door. We'll have an open door here as well. So SL, that split element, flip, move this one up, whoops, move it up, and then move this down. So now we have some room here. We could just flip it on this side. Okay. And then now this will be a room. So we could just move this one like that. And then for the closet, let's use this. Let's put this one at 800 and then CS this, and then CS this as well. Okay, and then now for the bed, let's add this bed. We could just change this to a queen as well, and then let's add in some stuff later on. We could just move this one like this. So here we can just move it like that. We will need to move this one back because we're gonna have a balcony. So I'm just making sure that we have space. Here we're gonna add the same one as well. This will be 1800. So this wall. So CS this wall. Around 1800 will be good as well. Extend this. Now use our CS, create similar to add all this element. CS here. So it's very easy to add once we have everything all together. We can extend this one as well. CS here, and then what we could do is we could move this one up like so. I want this one to be around 3400. It's good enough. Around 800 is good as well. That will be our closet. CS here, and then here. CS1 for the rod. And let's not forget, this is actually not for the rod, but the washer and dryer. Okay. And then the bed, let's add in the bed. And then the door for the bed will be right here. This will be living room. And then we will have something right here for the kitchen. Let's add in the kitchen, similar to this, CS. Or we could just click on copy. Copy like that. And then let's add in the closet. And then let's add this one or this one, CS. Okay. And we have our space here for the kitchen. It's another L shape, living room, and then we have a den on this spot. 24 by 1700 will be good enough. And then we just need to have an opening for the den. Let's undo that and let's do it again. While opening, click twice. So that will be for that. And we just need to add the same exterior wall. Uh, 1700 will be good enough. And then now we just need to SL split element. This one, delete that. We could just move this one back there, and then here just leave it like that. So there we go. We have our space there for our here as well. We could do that. So here, same exterior wall, CS. Um, 1700 might be too much. So we could do it 1500. SL, and then pull this up like that. So we have our space for our um, balcony here. So we could have it here as well, balcony, and then let's not forget the door here for our bedroom. And then let's move this one all the way right here. And let's make this short. I'm gonna delete this for now. Undo this. Let's shorten this up. Delete. And then I'm gonna use this one. CS. And then here, we need to create another one like this. Duplicate. Let's put it at 800. And then the width, just change it to 800. So at least we have a smaller one. Okay, and then let's just put this back to 1200. Okay, we could just put the den on this spot. So it's easy for us to see as this. To we have access to here as well. And then, or we could add the den right here as well. You know what? I'll just leave it like that for now. We can access the den, the area here as well. Anyway. And then for the couch, let's delete that. CS. Add it like that. And let's just remove the den. We could just leave it as 2-bedroom. I think it's much better, especially we could have a dining table here. And then we could add this one as well. 2 of this. Let's insert the dining. So table. We can use the round. I've used it before and I liked it. So depending on what you need, you could add that as well. Depending on how big you want this to be, we could add in more, like so. So I'm happy with this. So now let's go and continue on the other side. This one, let's move this one a little bit like that. Or let's just leave it like that and continue on how it was looked. Just we could just create the opening here. So CS, this will be for the other space. And let's just start that on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.